Algebra 2 EOC practice test number 23. The graph of a system of equations is shown. All right, so if you look, you can see a quadratic and you can see a linear equation here. What is the x-coordinate of one of the solutions of the system? Enter your answer in the space provided. All right, so this is your x-axis. So the solutions are where they intersect or cross. So those are my two solutions. They're actually ordered pairs, but it says what is the x-coordinate. So it looks like the x-coordinate here is 0. So I can say x equals 0. And the other one, if you want to list the other one, you can. X equals 2. So you only have to list one, but either one of those answers would be correct. So for number 23, the answer is either 0 or 2.